Thank you, Chair, Mr. Borrell. We know there are millions of people targeted and persecuted due to their beliefs. And we know that parents are separated from their children and their families are destroyed. We also know that an authoritarian regime are detaining millions of people in so-called re-education camps. And these camps, Mr. Borrell, bring back terrible memories of how similar camps were used in Europe in our own very recent history. We have been too slow in reacting to the Chinese regime's horrible crimes against the Uyghur people. Colleagues and friends, now is the time to stop tiptoeing around China and its criminal communist regime. Awarding Ilham Tohti this year's Sakharov Prize shows that we will no longer accept China's crimes against the Uyghurs. Tomorrow we will adopt a resolution calling for targeted economic sanctions against those responsible for the mass detentions of the Uyghurs. And yet our support to the Uyghurs cannot end with sanctions, because giving up on defending human rights and liberties wherever they are threatened would be giving up on everything that the EU stands for. Let us not walk down that road. Thank you.